So there's no face cam because you know, I want to say the N-word eventually on one of these videos. I don't feel comfortable right now. When it drops, you guys better go crazy. You guys go crazy on that. Most of the shit go viral. I want people to act like it's like the Ultra Instinct, like Goku and Ultra Instinct. Yo, who would want to watch like who would want like 3 hours of Detroit Stinks, like raw footage, unedited? Who wants that? Let me know. Dang. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was thinking of posting like just 3 hours of me snoring. I think there's just not a lot of videos like that. Like I said, really just saying, I'll do anything. I'll do anything for views. And that's definitely up there. It's on my list. Shout out P Diddy. Holy riveting gameplay. Oh yeah. Oh my god, that was gangster as fuck. Holy shit. Yo. Dude, bro, they're genuinely nuking. This is literally Palestine. I'm gay. I'm gay. I'm gay. There's 2. Can I drop? Am I gonna take fall damage? YOLO. Oh my god. If you're white and like a black guy gets your crush, try sending her like some KKK propaganda. It's not guaranteed to work, but I thought like if I was white, that would be a method I would use. Not like doesn't necessarily need to be KKK. Sometimes like you know, race mixing is like bad. I think that might be a method to look into. I'm not saying it's like guaranteed to work, but then the vice versa is also true. If like if you're a black guy and your crush gets with a white, your crush is white, and your crush gets with a white guy, send her some shit that's like love is love, and like that shit's like, you know, get her thinking. No. Yeah, get her thinking like more open-minded on some shit, because yeah, just like influence your feed, get into her algorithm and shit. Holy fuck, that was cold. Get into her algorithm, get her to like start seeing videos like that, and she might think, hey, like she might have genuinely not considered that it was okay. You might have just genuinely do it. That one's actually might be a method, because she might genuinely think it's like not okay. She might think it's like that shit's like not cool. And you might have opened her mind onto some different shit. Maybe she really liked you, and she just wasn't like she thought it like wasn't okay. Now like, so yeah, that could actually be like that could actually be really good. That could actually be a really good thing for society that you did. Yeah, I think that could really help you. If you do this and it helps and it like works for you, make sure you drop a comment. And yeah, let me know. Send me a picture of like the couple. So for like proof, I don't think that's not so much proof, but like yeah, I'd love to see like a happy couple that I made. Take it in like this is probably like the end of the world. In like a couple years, this shit's gonna be run by like guys that like either deal or whatever. Guy asked him like, do we even need to go on? And he's like, I don't know. He's like and that's the guy that's like, I think he's like in the government or some shit. What the fuck, twin? No, please, I'm dead. But if I genuinely die, like I put in so much work for the block. Anyway, yeah, there's that. Yo, I think if like the world does go in that direction, like we end up with like robot shit, I'd probably become best friends with low tier god. I think whatever, like that's the type of guy that like genuinely like you'd have some ideas about like how to like move in that type of sort of environment in ways that like people know you're not a threat. Like I feel like people would never consider him to be a threat to the new fucking new order or whatever we got going on. Yep. Super fucking pissed, dude. That's how you stay safe. It's like you don't want to be a threat to the fucking CEO thing in 100 years or in like 50 years. Yo, I'm not done. I'm not done. Well, this threw a wrench in my plans. Peter Thiel, when he runs into Detroit Stinks. This wasn't in my plans. Detroit Stinks 14 would rock Peter Thiel. He's literally gonna turn me into soup. Whoa. Oh, that was pissed. Can't undo that, Peter Thiel. Let's see your robots do that, Peter Thiel. Fucking loser. I lost. Fuck.
Oh.
Gosh darn it. Alright, I think I recorded this bullshit for long enough. I'm done. Like, comment, and subscribe. Drop your favorite Detroit Stinks moment in the comments below.